See, electric magnetic waves, see, just I write a line here. Okay, this is x axis, y axis, this is z axis, or this is anything. This is x axis, this is y axis, this is z axis. Now you write one electric wave, it's a variable, look, electric wave. This electric wave vector is called variable fluctuating electric field. This is magnetic wave, see. Now it is magnetic wave along the v of direction. This is magnetic wave. This is called wave radiated from the, see, any, how to produce electric wave, any accelerated body. Suppose any charge, a positive charge, a negative charge, any accelerated charge. This is what? Accelerated charge. Right? The accelerated charge produce electromagnetic radiation. It consists of, see, timely varying. This is consists of time varying. What type of wave? This is called transverse. Transverse wave, no? Transverse wave. What wave? One is electric wave. I'll write like this, electric wave. Another is what? Magnetic wave, denoted by B. And time variable, no? This is, I'll write like. Therefore, how to make a sentence, that is important. Therefore, what are electromagnetic waves? What are electromagnetic waves? You have to mention how it is produced. You have to put a picture. What type of wave it is? Nature also. Its nature is what? Transverse in nature, is it not? It is transverse in nature. What is a transverse wave? That is how it is. It is a transverse wave. It is varying electric and magnetic field, which is the function of time, or time varying electric field. Okay. Another thing, what is the property? When electric field is this direction, magnetic field is perpendicular to the direction. And both are varying, and this is the direction of propagation. K is called direction of propagation. Understood? They are mutually perpendicular. That is James Clerk Maxwell. James Clerk, C-L-E-R-K, Clerk Maxwell. He predicted the existence of electromagnetic. Prediction is different. There comes prediction. Who confirmed electromagnetic wave? Hertz. Actually, rich hands, they are called Heinrich Hertz, but remember, Hertz or short form H. That means what? Cycle per second. His name only they will keep it for frequency. How the electromagnetic is produced? How electromagnetic waves are produced? They are produced by what? Accelerating charge particle. That means their charge are oscillating. That means a positive. This is positive plate. This is negative plate. The positive negative plate keep changing. This is negative. It becomes positive. But in the charge get accelerated here, there, here, and there. Therefore, how to represent this? It is produced by what? Accelerated charge. Accelerated charge or charge oscillating with some frequency. Charge. See, all these things, they will ask you two questions only, is very important. Right? It consists of, therefore, any oscillating charge. Any oscillating charge produce what? Electromagnetic wave. You understood? Now, what is electromagnetic wave? Question is what? What is electromagnetic waves? For 1 mark they'll ask you. For that you have to write waves radiated by what? Here you have to add this one. Which one? Accelerated charge by accelerated charges and it consists of what is that? Electric field and magnetic field. Time varying you have to put it. Consists of time varying. What type of wave is this? Longitudinal wave or transverse waves? Time varying transverse electric and magnetic waves are magnetic field and propagating that is perpendicular to each other, is it not? They are propagating perpendicular to each other and also perpendicular to the direction of propagation. This is the direction in which electric field, that is the electromagnetic wave, goes. Right? Who predicted the existence? James Clerk Maxwell. Who confirmed? Hertz confirmed. Right?